checking the units of an answer to make sure that they are the same units that a question is asking for. That's it. That's what dimensional analysis is. So that's the end of the video. Please subscribe if you liked it, and we'll see you again next time. But hang on, what does checking units mean exactly? And why is it the #1 key to solving problems? Simply put, the dimensional part of dimensional analysis refers to the units of a physical quantity. For instance, we can define the location of an object in physical space using spatial dimensions, such as its position on the xy plane. Likewise, we can define other physical properties of an object, such as its average velocity, using physical dimensions, such as its location on the position-time plane. Dimensional analysis, then, is the act of comparing the units of measurement of the problem and solution to ensure that they align throughout the problem-solving method. If at some point the units do not match, then you can know with certainty that you made a multiplicative mistake. And notice here that we said a multiplicative mistake, that is, involving multiplication or division, and not an arithmetic mistake, that also involves addition and subtraction. This is because dimensional analysis would not alert you to an additive mistake, since dimensions do not add, only values add. But going back to the main point, dimensional analysis has an even more powerful use. You see, when a question asks you to solve for a value with specific units, you are essentially provided the exact combination of the given values that unlock the answer. It's like being given the combination to a lock. And again, it's important to note here that, as before, this may lead to additive mistakes. And in addition to this, some equations involve scalar multiples of the given values that dimensional analysis just cannot account for. But that said, many physics problems can be approached simply in this way by analyzing the units involved without even delving into complex equations or calculations. And this method is so vital to assimilate because it allows you to cut out a lot of guesswork. So many students struggle with figuring out how to solve even simple physics problems, and spend way too long second-guessing if they got the answer right, because they don't utilize dimensional analysis. Starting and finishing a problem with dimensional analysis is the best practice to ensure that you are on the right path. So hopefully by now you can see why dimensional analysis is the #1 key to solving problems. And now, we have truly reached the end of this video. If you've enjoyed it, maybe check out one of our other videos, linked right here.